Good morning, friends. It is about 6:15 in the morning and it is absolutely lovely outside. It's almost 50 degrees, which is just wonderful. I'm spending extra time this morning. The weather is just lovely. There's not a big breeze, it's not super windy. The temperature is just perfect. The birds are chirping. Finally, it's early March and the birds are chirping, and it just reminded me of these little things that can, kind of calm our nervous system, reduce the blood pressure and relax, which can be so incredibly helpful if you are struggling or suffering with tinnitus. So if you have time, get out this morning, go for a walk. I just picked up my dog poop. And just kind of enjoying the day. All right, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.